Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and click on Bluetooth section. After that, select this switcher at the top to activate it. When you're ready, tap on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, select this gear next to the device and tap on Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always connect to the same one again by selecting Pair New Device and clicking on it. Then choosing Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!